APIs, how to do CRUD, how to do different hooks. And yesterday we discussed how to do the forms. Are you all doing the projects until now? The tasks and projects. The more you do these simple projects, slowly you will think about the bigger projects. In company, people will never give you small projects. People will give you the bigger ones. You have to understand in that small task you have to do initially. Try to understand the bigger project's architecture. Today onwards, we will do something bigger ones, and we need to discuss three more topics. Let me start here. VS Code. Go here. Open folder. React 730. Now, where is this? Go here. React. Good. Now, in this, we discussed till here. Today, we are going to discuss this. After that, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we will discuss how to do state management like Redux. Okay. If there are some any another topics missed or need a clarity or something kind of one, I will take another session on Monday on that. Okay, Monday or Tuesday. Then we will do it like the project. Clear, ma? Now, let's go here. In case, like today, I will give you the complete notes of the React also. And in case if you want to see the React one, I always recommend you official website called react.dev. Always try to read instead of watching a video. Instead of watching a video, always see the React Dev website and read something. The more you see, the more easy it will become. Now, if you want examples, if you go to reactjsexample.com, in this website, so many examples will be there. So many people will create websites, and those websites you can see and you can also use it. Online, is it clear, ma, till now? Online till now, everyone clear? Good. Now let's start today's one. React router, React routing. What is it mean by routing, sir? Now, if you go to this website like react.dev, if I go to my website react.dev, in this website, I'm going here. If I click this, can you see I am in one page? What is the page here? Tutorial talk to. But if I go here, think this. Can you see my page is changing? Page is not reloading, but page is changing. You can see I'm going from one page to another page. If you see in your website, real website, you will have home page, you will have about page, you will have contact page or login page, sign up page, dashboard page. You have multiple pages now. Now all these pages, how you will go from one page to another page. People will think we can use anchor tag. No, because if we use anchor tag, it will reload the page. Anchor tag basically goes from one page to another page with a hyperlink, okay, which will reload the page. But how do we do this? How do we handle this? Okay, that is what you are going to learn today, so that you can able to build one application with multiple pages. Till now we are doing it only one page applications. Is it clear, ma, online? Now let's start. Routing in React. What is routing? React React cannot do or provide routing routing by default. React cannot do or provide routing by default. To do the routing, to do the routing, we use a library called React Router DOM. Library name is React Router DOM. There is one library named React Router DOM. We use this library to make routing, to do routing in React. It is the standard library for enabling navigation navigation between pages without reloading the browser in React web applications. React, sir, will it do directly? React will do the routing, sir? No. React cannot. You are online. Are you all getting my point, ma? Till now, any questions online? No questions. Very good. So, if you have this one, imagine, sir, you have one library called Tailwind. Tailwind is one library, na? Tailwind CSS is one library, sir. You want to use this Tailwind CSS in application. What is the first step you have to do? Install. Because, sir, by default it will not come, na? So you need to install. So always steps. First step is npm install react router dom. If you wanna use any library, not only React Router DOM, any library like a Tailwind, till now you are using actually Tailwind, except that we have not used any. But I will show you multiple libraries also. There are so many, tons of libraries. I will show you the libraries how to use, but first step is always install. Second, once it is installed, if you remember when you installed the Tailwind have one separate logic. You have to go to wit config, give the Tailwind or globally main CSS, you have to go and say it import same way. This one, we need to wrap, we need to wrap the the complete code or app into browser router, browser router, browser router. It enables, it enables routing to entire app. What is the step two is? Step two is if you have app like you remembered we do it like main app.jsx or something kind of one will do now. Normally in app.jsx, what you will do, function app return, people will write it here, some div, or people will put fragments and they will write it here normally the code, right or not? All the components or something kind of one. But this guy tells, this React router people will tell, instead of doing this, import one thing called browser router. Browser router from who will provide this? React router DOM. Take this browser router and keep your whole application inside browser router. Now, if you see, our entire application is inside browser router, na? That means whatever the code inside this browser router, only for that code you can enable routing. Imagine, sir, you put a browser router only for header. That means only in header routing will routes and and each route each route with path and element. We can define routes with each route path and element. In olden times we used to call component instead of element. We now we are calling it. Okay. Now here, what is this? You need to give here something called routes. Inside this routes is also provided by the React router DOM only. Routes. In this routes only, in this routes only, you can give each route path. You can give here path, like path is about element, and I'm giving here element name, which is about about component. Now, if you see it clearly, if you guys see it clearly, now Online, everyone see here. How many routes I have in my application? How many routes I have, sir? Two routes I have. Sorry, I will change it. Contact component. Online, are you there? Everyone see how many routes I have? Two routes. Imagine my website is, if my website loads at localhost 5173. Normally my website loads at localhost 5173 and I will get some page, whatever I wrote. But if I write and if I go to if I go to localhost 5173 slash about which component will come, sir? If I go to slash about, which component will come? How does your program know when I go to slash about component only will come? Path. How it will go, sir? Path. Path will tell the program which one to go. Uh, People will put it something like this so that they will understand it easily. Okay, if you don't put it also, it will work. Your wish. Okay, that is path. It shows about component. Now, step 4. If I want to go, if I want to go to specific path by clicking a link without reloading the page, without reloading the page, then I have to use link tag, link, link, link to path instead of anchor tag. In anchor tag, you will write href na. Same way, link tag you will write 2. Why do you need this? When I click the link tag, it will go to the component, but it will not reload the page. So if I click this link, path will change. When path will change, this route will work and it will show the element. When I click this, path will change. When I click this, component will come. I will show this all practically, don't worry. So I will do one code link to about, go to about page. Now everyone tell, if I click this, what will happen, sir? Path will change. What will happen, sir? If path will change, what will happen, sir? About component will load. Are you getting my point, ma? One is changing the path, another one is loading the component. So you are just setting it up one by one by one by going to which path, which component will print, how to go to that particular path by clicking this link. Like this, you can set it up one by one by one. Now, online, any doubts, ma? Online, any doubts? No. Let's do this one time practically. While doing it one time practically, you guys will understand it more clear. Okay. We'll do one project. While doing the project, I will show you. Suppose I have one header inside some list home pages, etc. But I want to hover the list, then only show the data, show some data. How, sir? That is just a simple CSS, na? Okay. I will show you however you want. I will show some website. Okay. Don't worry. I will do some simple website. Let's go here. What is the starting, sir? NPM? NPM create white at the rate latest. Sir, I am creating today onwards something thoda big projects. I'm telling it. One of the practical project which everyone need to do. Everyone need to do after to do. I told to do is mandatory. Okay, first one counter is mandatory. Then to do is mandatory. Then next this one, which is portfolio. Every web developer should have their own portfolio. Okay. Now today I'm gonna create my own portfolio. While creating it, I will do it like React Router DOM. Okay. Online, is it clear, ma? So I'm giving the name. You can give the name in the first line also. Portfolio. I will show you one interesting thing. Can you see here directly React Router V7 is there? React router that there is something React router recent one. If you do this, what will happen? You don't need to set up anything. Automatically routing set it up one project will come. Okay. Now I'm doing this all setup now. I told you you have to do browser router, you have to do this link, you have to do this routes. By default they will come. Okay, which you need to change it. But instead of doing it, I'm going with our own approaches for JavaScript with SWC or JavaScript with React compiler, whichever you feel good, you will go with it. Okay. So I'm just switching with the React compiler one. Optimizely, this one is good. Now, now install. It's installing everything. Let's go here. New terminal. CD portfolio. NPM install tailwind CSS tail tailwind css slash white space react router dom. Can you see I'm installing React Router DOM also? You can install any kind of applications in a single line, sir. It is installing it. Now let's go here. Let's go to my application portfolio. Go down. Go to this. Import Tailwind CSS from @tailwind CSS slash wait, and I need to write it here, comma tailwind CSS, and I need to go here. If you see package.json, can you see here? React Router DOM is also there. What is the recent version of React Router DOM, sir? 7.13. So usually we will call it 7th version is the latest one. Okay. Now if I go here, go to index.css, let's remove this all. Let's write it here. Import tailwind CSS. I think at the rate import. Then app this. And I will go here app.jsx. I will remove this and I will write it here RFC. Go here. Online, anyone have any questions, sir? Online, anyone have any question? No. Till now, I think most people were good. Now, what is the first step in React Router DOM? You see notes? Router install. Okay, I installed. After that, second step, browser router. You have to keep your entire application in browser router. Okay, you can keep this entire app into the browser router. Here also you can keep browser router, or or you can go here because your entire app is inside this only, na. In main only entire app is coming, na. You can put this browser router here also. I will put it here. Why? Because code will become easy if I do this. Okay, so it looks simple if I do this here. Anyway, strict mode is there. Strict mode, what it will do, only for development stage it will work. Once you put your website into Netlify, strict mode automatically will disable. The strict mode is for ensuring that everything is going good. If you call one time use effect, strict mode will call two times. Why? Because strict mode will do everything whatever you are doing two times, just to make sure all works. If you remove strict mode also, nothing will happen. It's like use strict in JavaScript. So I don't want. Now I will just say import browser, oh shit, from React router DOM. Here, browser router. Import browser router and write it here. Browser router. Online, is it clear, ma? Little bit confusion. One more time, sir. Once I can explain Tailwind. Ah. Oh, Tailwind code doubt nakko. Very simple. Every day we are doing Tailwind. One more time. Tailwind is first install the Tailwind. Second step is go here with config, write it here Tailwind CSS plugins and import the Tailwind. Third step is go to main CSS and write it here. If you do this two to three times, now your mind will remember. That's why every day I do this. Okay. Now, sir, second step of React router DOM, import browser router and put your app. Now everyone see, now my whole app, now my whole app have the browser router na? Anyway, you will write any code inside the app only na? Every code you write will be in app only. App is inside the browser router only. That means routing is provided to the complete app, complete application indirectly. Is it clear ma online? Second step. If you have doubts, you can tell me ma online. Is it clear, sir, online? Next. Sir, for third step, I need some components. So I'm creating here page called components. In components, I will put a header. See how I'm doing it? Header.jsx, RFCE header. Same way, footer.jsx, RFCE footer. What is this RFCE, sir? Actually, I have one extension. If you remember in one class, I told you there is an extension called ES7 React Hooks or something extension by Rodrigo Valdez. If I have this extension, when I give RFCE, React function component with export will come. It's a shortcut. If you do it on your own typing also, it will work. If you remember, first 1 week I typed everything. Are you all getting my point, sir? Yeah. Now I will also create another one. You see this, another folder called pages. I will create a page called homepage.jsx, about page.jsx. Sir, you name it as page, but it is also one component only. Whether you name it as page or component, it will work same way only. Contact page.jsx, projects page.jsx, home, RFCE, about, RFCE, contacts, CE, projects. Now, everyone see this, sir? What I have header, footer, home page, contact page, about page, projects page. All are empty. Any doubts? Online, is it clear, sir? See, the reason I'm asking it step by step because I don't want anyone to divert. If you are slowly, clarityly go, by end you will see beautiful website. I hope online also clear. Now you may create 1,000 pages, but it doesn't matter. Anyway, only whatever you put in app.jsx, that only will come. Right or not? Whatever you keep in app.jsx, that thing only will come in website. Now in app.jsx, अपने पेज में क्यों क्रिएट की हो हाँ? See, I created pages because whenever someone go to one route, I want to load that page. If someone go to home page, by default home page I want. If anyone go to slash about page I want to come. If anyone go to contact slash contact, I want contact page to come. Like that I want. Clear? Clear ma online? Now if I go here, I need to put here something called routes. Routes. Inside the routes, what you want, sir? I want, let's put it here, this. inside the routes, where do you get these routes? Import routes from React router DOM routes, comma route. Now inside this, you can write multiple routes. Route each route. What is the path? Anyone guess what is the path mean? Just a slash. What does it mean? Same page, main page. That main page I want to load. In main page, I wanna load home page. What I wanna load, sir? Import home page. Why it is not coming? Home page is there, na? It is not coming normally. Okay, whatever it is. Home page component it is. Any doubts are online? Online, any doubts? No doubts. Can we set it up more? Copy, paste, paste. Let's go here. Let's go here. Now, if I go here slash about, then which one will come here? About a page. If I go here slash contact, contact page. If I go here slash uh, projects, I will get here project page. Okay, I need to import this all. So go here, import about page, import contact page, import projects page. To identify these pages, I am writing each one some heading. H2 about a page. Just for identifying, I'm writing it. Okay. Home page. H2 home page. Then H2 uh, contact page. I'm just writing a simple component which is like just a heading projects page. Now I go to my website, sir. Where is my website? This is my website. Go here, console. One error is there. Project page is not defined. Sir, I think I did a mistake. If I go here, it is projects. Can you see here which page is coming by default? Online. Everyone see online? Which page is coming? Why homepage only coming? Did I set it to come homepage? Because I set it in the path. slash about. Then if I go here slash contact, then if I go slash projects, then any doubts, sir? No. I have this contacts. Each page is coming. But sir, will anyone go to my website? Will write it like slash about on their own? No. People will never write like that. People will be like they will go to the website. They will click a link. When they click about button or about link, then it should go to about page. Logically, that is the logic, no? Online, sir. Normally, no one will write it that, sir. So for doing that, I will set up here my website, something called header. Everyone see header. You all know header is what? Sorry, header component. I want to get here header component. I want to get here footer component. In header component, I will write it here h2 header h2 footer. I will set them quickly, don't worry. Let's go here. Let's go to the import. Let's go to the console. Let's see. Footer is not defined. Why? Import footer. Now, can you see here what is happening? Header is coming. Thoda problem is there. Can you see what is the problem? Anyone? Anyone see what is the problem? Header should be first, na? Right or not? Header, homepage, footer. That is the logic, na? तो header first नहीं आ रहा है क्योंकि you are doing this routes first. Keep this routes in middle, na? Any doubts, sir? Are you understanding what I did? Now if I go here, header, homepage, go here, sir, slash about, then sir header, about page, footer, then slash contact, sir, header, contact, footer. So every time some components are coming. Okay, that is called header and footer. Someone home page is loading first. Explain again why. Anyone tell me why home page is coming first? Path. Did I give any path, sir? I gave empty path. You can even give like this. Did I give any path? When your path is empty, that means first one. What is it called? First one. And the first, which page I wanted to print? I wanted to print the home page. But if I go slash about, sir, about page. If I go slash contact, sir, contact page. Like that, I gave it each one path. But sir, page is reloaded, obviously, because you are changing the path. Instead of changing the path, now I will set up each component one by one by one. Is it clear, ma online, Jagan? Online, is it clear, ma? Whoever asked the question. Yes. Very good. Now let's go here. Home page. So first header. I will go with the header. Now, sir, let's do header first. Quickly. I think everyone knows the tailwind. Let's go here. I'm doing it. Header. H2 PRASAD Prasad. So this is my portfolio. I'm just doing it. Okay. So class name BG black text white PY 2 PX 5 what happened numlock PY क्या हुआ रे PY 2 TX 5 flux justify between items center class name text 5XL text white read out sir and I will go here just for only this SAD span SAD class name text blue 500. Now if you go here, can you see here online, can you see sir what I did? How to set width 100% by using tailwind? W width, W100 or W screen, it will come. Any doubts are here? No. Next one, I will do it here and another two, which is navigation menu, nav menu. In this nav menu, I will give here UL. UL means unordered list. In this UL, you will have LI. I will use anchor tag inside LI. Anchor tag. I want it like at least 4 anchor tags. Automatically LI with 4 anchor tags will come. Okay, but now there is a problem. If you do anchor tag, what will happen, sir? Page will reload. So I don't want to do. First, I will show you how it will reload. When I will change this, this is not the current good one. Okay, then but I'm just showing you home about projects, contact. If I go here, slash about slash contact, I'm just showing you these two things. If I go here, if I click here contact, if I click here about, can you see page is reloading, sir? Online, can you see, sir, page is reloading? Please see that, sir. Page is loading. I don't want page to load. So anchor tag is not preferable in React. What is the alternative, sir? Link. You see in notes, it is link. Link from React router DOM. Now I will do, instead of anchor tag, sir, I will do something called, sorry, link, and instead of href, I will give 2. What I will give, sir? 2. Same way, link to link to slash projects link, same way, link to link. Now, what is the difference? If I go now here, if I click contact, see here, contact page, dekho. Okay. If I click here about, can you see about page is coming? Everyone see about loading? Is it loading? Online, is it loading, sir? Dekho. It is not loading, sir. It is not loading, sir. Now, if I go here, all I have to do is set it up this one as a nice one. So to set it up nicely, all you have to do is class name, flux, flux, justify, center, items, center, and gap 5. Okay. And class name, text, 3xl. Okay. 3xl, hover. You all know what is meant by hover. Hover. When I hover, it will become text blue 300. Can I see it? Correct. 500. So all I will do is to Excel, copy. Let's go here. I have this all pages. I go to my site. Can you see his here, sir? Nicely. Can you also add a mega menu like TCS? You can add mega menu. There is nothing big difference there. Okay. I will put it all the things. Don't worry. Home about once this React router is done. Tomorrow also we'll do portfolio only. Okay. See, understand it. If it takes complete week, your course will complete by next Saturday. Okay. No need to hurry it up. Okay. I will put everything you want so that project wise you should understand real time. Okay. Now, anyway, till now, anyone have any questions, sir? Online, anyone have any questions, sir? No. Let's go here. Let's put it up some simple footer. Class name, BG Black. If you see, sir, I am also doing it without that extension. I'm not getting suggestions. I'm doing it, but I recommend you to go to the extensions and disable and enable it so that that extension will come. Initial times, use that extension. After certain times using, your mind will remember the class names. Then you can use it however you like. Text to Excel, text center, py3, class name, text. No need of this. I will write it here. This site belongs to Prasad at the rate copy 2026 made with heart. Now, where is that symbol? Correct. Barabar. Okay. Any doubts? No doubts. Na? Sir, which is good style, Accenture like or Mega Menu TCS? It depends which website you want, which kind of site you want, like based on that you can use it. Okay. Now this one tells you how to put home page, how to put about page, how to put the projects page, how to push contact and different routings. What if I write it here slash something I like? We are not understanding it like website. We are understanding first routing only today. If I put whatever I want, slash, you should get page not found na. There is one page called 404 page na. Page not found error will come na if you go to other website. But did you put that page? Did you put that page not found page, sir? No. You need to put that page called page not found. How to put this page not found page, sir? So for that page not page error, all you have to do is you create another page called page not found, not found, page dot JSX, RFCE. I have one page. I will go to the internet. I will type here page not found animated. Go here. I will take one zip. I'm taking here some zip. Copy this. Open this GIF. I want this GIF image. Copy it. Let's go to my site. IMG SRC. Page not found. Now this page I want. Sir, if you want about page, you know page will be slash about. If you want contact page, you know slash contact. If you want home page, you know empty slash. If you want projects, you know slash. But if you want 404, do you know anything? Which one you can give? You can't give now because 404 page is basically for anything, anything else apart of the normal routes, apart of the normal routes, anything else that you have to give. You have to give always 404 page in last, in last. So all you have to do is give here asterisk. What you will give, ma? Asterisk means none of the above. Asterisk path means none of the above. That's why you gave last. If it is not matching with any another thing except that any another thing, then it will come here. Page not found. हाँ, पहला इंपोर्ट करना है. Sometimes automatic import will work, sometimes it won't work. I don't know why. Maybe some extension is stopping. Not found page. Now if I go to my website, sir, why it is not working? Asterisk. Is it double asterisk? Uh, React router, DOM, 404 page. Okay, in version 6, did they made any change? Route. Path is asterisk only. Route path equals to asterisk. Correct. Route path equals to asterisk. And element is this. Correct. So I got some error. Let's stop this. Reload it again. npm cd portfolio npm run dev. Now if I go here, if I go to my website, go here, inspect console. Page not found page is using incorrect casing. Use Pascal case for React components. Huh? What they are saying? Page not found. Sir, I told you one simple logic. Did you remember, sir? Always component should start with capital. This is the problem. The problem is you should not do this kind of things. Go here, go to my app, right here, this, go here, this, import, page not found. Now you go here. Can you see my site now? Obviously, it's not looking good because I did not put any CSS for that, which I can put actually. So I will go to my app. I will write it here. I will put this routes inside one div. This div height, last name, margin X, auto. Oh, sorry. Yeah, max width 5XL, and I will give style, height 80 percentage, and I will go here. This image page not found. Will it work? This image, it is coming center only. This image ka height, if you decrease, everything will work. Any doubt, sir? होम पेज होम पेज के अंदर क्या है? होम पेज अबाउट पेज के अंदर इज इट कमिंग समथिंग? नो, अबाउट पेज, देन प्रोजेक्ट्स पेज के अंदर प्रोजेक्ट्स, कांटेक्ट पेज के अंदर कांटेक्ट. बट इफ आई गो something I like, then 404. Doubt, sir? We will do more. We will put mega menus. We will put like child routings. We will put it like different other things. Online, any questions, sir? Online, any questions, sir? So tomorrow I'm gonna put multiple libraries. We will make this website. We will make this portfolio website into bigger level. Like I will put animation libraries. I will put someone asked me carousel. I will put that carousel. Someone asked me mega menu. I will put that mega menu. So it's like my own portfolio. I will put it. Okay. Whatever you want me to add, also tell me. Okay. Everything will put and will make this portfolio into another level so that you guys will understand how to do React good applications. Okay. I will try to put more things into it. Is it clear, ma online? Any questions here? Any questions here? No. That's it for today. Thank you all. I will upload to the GitHub today and I will also include the React notes today. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. I want user on hover to the links, then only some pages open like Mintra, sir. That is called mega menu, which I will put it tomorrow. Don't worry. I understand. Like you are like whenever I put on projects, then you wanted list of names to come here. Sir, in screening test, React topic are coming. I don't know about screening test actually. What will come or what not. The tailwind. Second step, go to wit config and import the tailwind and write it here tailwind wit config. Then third one, go to main CSS, which is index.css, and write it here in internet with tailwind CSS. It will go to the website called tailwind CSS website. You can see here, it will go to the website installing tailwind CSS with it. If you go here, you can actually see the steps 1, 2, 3. You can see the steps. If you follow the steps, you can actually do your tailwind. Okay. Try to follow the official website documentation. It will make you easy. Any other question you can tell me, ma? Okay. Okay, ma. Thank you. Thank you all. Yeah.